and welcome to our channel. We are so excited that you are here. We are so excited for another video, and in this video we are continuing with the series. We are talking about how to enroll and make money online with a BA Honors Business Management degree. We are a gateway for your breakthrough. We are going to give you all the information, meaning that we are going to give you the enrollment link where you are going to enroll and then getting your scholarship being paid. And then after that, while you are going to do that, I'm preparing you now to say, after you have gained this skill, how are you going to make money online with the course that you are going to enroll in? Because nowadays the world is going digital and there's no if about it. We all have to learn the digital skills. So this course in this channel, in the educational classics channel, we are carrying you through the whole package of the journey, giving you the scholarship, giving you the gate to that scholarship, and teaching you how you can make money online with that scholarship, with that course program that we have done. So this is so amazing. Really, our channel is so amazing. I'm so grateful for having found such to stand in the gap for someone, to be a blesser for someone, to be a destiny helper for someone. I'm so grateful. And before we go any other further, let me appreciate the company that I'm working for, the Modern Online Businesses, to compile this information in a unique way, in a professional manner, for unique people like yourself, for me to come and present it. It is really full of good energy, and I love it. I love it so much. So the company that I'm working for, the Modern Online Businesses, it's also crafting business proposals, portfolios, profiles, and AI-powered or artificial intelligence-powered marketing publications for different brands. So if you need any of this, please hit our inbox through the email that I've provided. You can also visit us in our website as well. Special thanks to freepicturesdownload.com and all our partners and sponsors. We appreciate you so much, guys. I will not put all the partners here, but I appreciate this one for the emojis that we managed to download from their site. So we are Modern Online Businesses, driving business growth in the digital era. It will not be a justice if I continue this video without a special welcome you in a very special manner. Please feel at home. This is your channel. This is your tribe. Be part of us. In this channel, there are many seats. Thousands, millions, billions seats available for you. So, just grab your seat. Subscribe to take your seat. And we are grateful that you are here. What else can you say? We can share and like and positively comment in the comment section of the videos. Share our content with those networks. We will appreciate. Surely we met for the better. Moving on, we are talking about how to enroll and make money online with a BA Honors Business Management degree. If you are tired of a 9-to-5 job and you are dreaming to make money online and having freedom, financial freedom, this is your place. We are going to show you how. Yes, with a BA Honors Business Management degree, you are going to have opportunities really for lucrative online possibilities. You are going to unlock all those world of lucrative online opportunities. And in this article, we'll explore you how you can leverage your business management skills to make money online towards financial freedom and endless opportunities. What can you become after you have finished your bachelor's or while you have enrolled, even in the first semesters? Okay, you can start just enroll, and then in the first semester, whatever you learn, and then you implement, online business. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can be. And I'm not going to go through a lot of them. This time, we are focusing on being an online consultant. Number 4. You can be an online consultant. That is where our focus is. Unlock potential of online consulting. Your BA Honors Business Management degree equips you with the knowledge to offer valuable insights and advice to businesses in need. Become an online consultant in areas such as strategic planning, organizational development, project management, business setup guidance, and with your expertise, you can help businesses streamline their operations, increase efficiency, and achieve their goal, all while earning a substantial income yourself. Yes. So, what are we saying? In other words, what are we talking about? Online coaching jobs include a variety of positions designed to help clients become better in a specific area of focus. That's what we are talking about. You can be an online coach in mental wellness, in lifestyle, in even business coaching, right? Most online coaches advise clients on a single topic. You are the one who knows which single topic will be focusing on. For example, you may teach skills needed to succeed in academics, provide fitness advice, or tutor clients on common business software. You can see that just a lot, vast indeed opportunities. Online coaching is a virtual position, and online coaches often work from home during scheduled hours. So nice. Online coaching jobs should not be confused with remote sports coaches. These titles refer mainly to a personal and professional development, not athletic ability outside of primary fitness goals. Yes. When I'm talking of coaching, don't think I'm talking about sports. No. I'm only talking about online coaching in the area of what? In the area of personal and professional development, not sporting or athlete. Okay? So we have spoken about it. You can focus in health and wellness. You can focus on, teach people about a certain expertise, business advice, organizational development, strategic planning, all those things, lifestyle, mental wellness. You can focus just on the mental wellness. There are people who are focusing on that. Okay? Teaching us how to think, align your thoughts to your goals and to where you are going, because success has to do with your mentality. Yes. There's no way you can separate your mentality from yourself and success. Very important. You have to know how to think and where are you focusing on and what are the things that you are thinking. Okay? So those are one of the areas that people really make a lot of money in. Can focus on that. Can focus on just teaching people how to start up a business. So there are many opportunities indeed. Many opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? What really are you waiting for? I've provided the details. What are you waiting for? This is the link that I'll provide in the link or description down, so that you copy it, paste it in your browser, and then you have to hit sign up. You get to go and sign up and take that link and share it with someone. So, we are continuing. How are you going to do that? How are you going to achieve that? We are offering an international scholarship. Yes, you heard me. 100% global, 100% online. Up to 75% of the whole tuition paid up for you and your loved ones, whosoever you are going to share. So what can you do for me? For me, do this. Listen very careful. Do this. Copy this link here, or this code. Start with a BIT and it continues. bit.ly/45x, that is a small x, and then 7 capital L 6 capital E. Copy it and paste it in your browser and press enter. And then take that same code. Please share it with people in your WhatsApp groups, with the people in your Facebook groups, with any other people. I want it to reach that girl in the village. That boy in the Kegel post, as many people in the towns who are looking for opportunities running from the villages, as many people in the country of Ukraine, in Africa, in the Philippines, in whole world, United Kingdom, wherever. Let it reach as many people. Let this code go and reach billions, millions people. Yes, so that they can take this opportunity while it's still there. Because opportunities come. And because of change, whatever events which can happen, opportunities can even go. So while it's still there, please, let this code go like a veiled fire. Let it go viral because of you. Share it in the TikToks, wherever. Make sure that you share it so that people can go and roll. Take this opportunity. 100% global, 100% online. And you are going to have an opportunity to choose the universities from the United Kingdom, from the United States of America, and from Africa. It just depends on the university that you are going to choose. And you are going to be paid almost up to 75% of the whole tuition. Yes. And then the remaining one, what can I do for you so that you pay the remaining one? I'm going to share this work link for those who are looking for online job. I'm going to share it as well so that you go and sign up, and then you sign up for the job that you are looking for. You are studying this side and you are working this side online. And then you are going to pay the remaining balance in installment. Okay? That is another good news. In installment. So what am I doing? I'm offering 100% free service. 100% almost scholarship for you for free. And in return, you have to make sure that you share the information that I've asked you to. So what are you waiting for? Please, belong. Let's grow this channel together. Be part of us. Give a thumbs up to the video. Share this video. Share the links to all networks, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups. Okay? So that it can reach the villages where people are looking for this information. Someone is maybe praying, fasting, so that they can have this education. Sponsorships. People are looking for such. So please don't fail them, okay? I didn't fail you. Please leave a positive comment as well. I didn't fail you, so please don't fail them. Okay? Alright? And we'll not end before we celebrate you in advance. We celebrate you for giving your life a chance to do this course and other courses that you can choose. Okay? So please, we congratulate you. We just want you to feel the joy of graduating. It's so nice, especially from universities in the United States, especially from the universities in the USA, online, girl, boy, man, woman. That will be so amazing. An opportunity that I didn't get myself, but I'm offering it to you. I graduated my diploma, I graduated my degree, and now I'm about to graduate my master's. Yes, but I wish I could have found the scholarship such as this one. I wish. Anyway, it's your turn, and I appreciate you so much. I didn't just keep this information for myself, but I wanted to share it. So let's partnership again together as we craft winning business proposals, portfolios, and profiles for your brand, and also the AI-powered marketing publications for your brand. Hit our inbox through the email that we have provided, and it will revert back to you definitely. We are modern online businesses driving business growth in the digital era. This is Educational Classics YouTube channel. And please comment. You can comment by saying I found a ransom and it's Educational Classics. You can say I found the link. You can say I made it. I want all of you to be in this category of I made it, I claimed, I signed up, I shared. And if you are in this category of the three, we'll make sure we shout you out in the next videos. Thank you so much, and we are going to give you this 30-second challenge. Check if you can do all these things in 30 seconds. Ready? Go! Subscribe, share, positively comment, like hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a new video, you are one of the first to see that opportunity and dive in it. And also to be appreciated. When you reach there and you are the first, just type "I'm the first." We are going to make sure that we also shout you out if we have that opportunity. And once again, we thank you so much for all the actions that we've done: subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking our videos, and also especially for sharing the link to the people who are looking for such opportunities. For that, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we are modern online businesses driving business growth in the digital era. Guys, we appreciate you so much, and I am your host, Gloria. I leave you with lots of love, guys. We love you so much. That's why we give you such information. Please receive this love and please stay tuned. Until we meet again, let's say goodbye and God